Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So today I am working on some projects and they're for Easter. So I'm going to be working with this bunny pattern that I found off of YouTube, and it was a fellow YouTuber here. I think it was Minnie Days here on YouTube. I can't remember, but I think it was. And she shared her free bunny pattern on her website, on her blog. So if you want to go, I'm going to try and leave a link from her YouTube video that I found it on, and you can go there and get the pattern. But I am going to use this pattern to make several things. So what I did was I just printed out on my computer. Actually, not even my computer, just off of my cell phone. From my cell phone to the printer. And I'm going to use it for a few things. Probably some Easter pillows and a sign that I can work with. But I'm going to first make a pattern, and I'm going to use this cereal box to hold my pattern so that, you know, I don't have to keep reprinting the pattern. It just lasts longer too. So, and she made this pattern herself. I'm going to use this. So I pulled this floral paper. To me it looks very Easter, but it came out of the pumpkin spice collection that I hauled last fall. So this one is double-sided and I love the floral, although it has the wood, like wood plank strips. Very cool. But I like the floral. It's very hydrangea, very springy to me. So I will get some glue down, and I think I will use the Mod Podge, the Dollar Tree Mod Podge, and it's the matte finish. Right there. Okay. The board. And that will give us a nice lined edge. I think it's pretty. So what I did earlier, I made the first pattern of my bunny and I glued it to another layer of cereal board, or whatever this is called, cardboard. So now while this is setting up, use my brayer tool and get this pressed down. Okay, I'm going to use my craft knife. Put that there. Yeah, I should just cut away. And I'm just following the outline, the board. There it is. And I'll throw that away. It's very useful. Oh, look at that. Okay guys, so I finished cutting out the bunny. I've got 2 layers, and you notice they're both brown. So when I went to glue the bunnies together, I put the printed side of the cereal boxes. I glued those 2 sides together. Okay, so I pulled some fabric from my stash. This is just some scrap fabric that I worked with on another project. So there's 2 piles. There's a really fluffy pile, and then there's a low pile. So I think what I want to do is I'm just going to hot glue my bunny to the low pile side first, and then when I'm done, I want to put I'll flip it over, and I'll make a little bunny tail with the higher pile, and I think that would look super cute. So good thing I had the hot glue gun going. And how do we want to do this? Lots and lots of glue. That's how we want to do it. Okay, so there you go. I got this all tidied up. I cut the fur off the front, or off the pattern. Okay. Now you can still see some of the cardboard, but that's okay, because all you gotta do, I'm covered in this fur now. Just take your scissors and trim away your cardboard. I just cleaned my craft space. Oh my goodness. Whatever. So now I want to make a tail. So remember I said we have the low pile side of the scrap. Okay, I'll just glue this down so my bunny doesn't lose his ear. And the closer we get to the edge with the glue, the fraying will stop. It won't fray as much, so if you want, you can pull back the edges and see which is coming off. Oops. There we go. And if you can hear my child, I apologize. He's so extra. I don't know. Wonder where he got it from. But anyway. Alright, so I'm just gonna glue this around before I get my bunny tail. It's so fluffy. It adds that extra that you're missing, you know? And he's so so fluffy. So there's the low pile side. You can see that. And then here's the fluffier, higher pile. That's cool. That's the side that's gonna be on the outside for the tail. I'm gonna pull in my needle and thread. I think this is even long enough. None of this is gonna show. I'm just wondering how big is the tail gonna be. So start from the inside. This will be the inside. This is the side that we want to show. Okay? Let's see. So it's not even a circle. It's just a freaking, oh, excuse me. It's just a remnant. So I'm just gonna go in and out, up and down, all the way around. I'm just going to gather it together. Looks like a little pouch. Okay, there we go. You can see that? So I'm just tightening it, finishing it up. And what I want to do, actually, I think I need to come to the other side, the outside. There we go. And then we're going to push all these ends into the center. All of that will go right into the pouch. If you can do it before you cinch it, makes it easier. Okay? There we go. Look at that, perfect fit right in. It's so cute, the bunny tail. Okay, so now I'm just going to close it up with the knot, just like that. And my tail will be done. Super cute. Faux fur baby, it hides all the sins. That's it. I'm done. Okay. All right. Cut this off. And see how much more fluffy that is? I mean, you can make as many bunny tails as you want. Okay, so this is our paper. Bunny is going to go here. I don't want him right on the bottom because I have other stuff I want to do to it. And our tail, it's right there. It's so cute. So let's add our hot glue. I'm putting a whole bunch of hot glue because I do not want it to come off. And stick them right there. Super fluffy. Guys, I just stuck them to the board. I forgot to glue the bunny. Okay, it's okay. The glue is still hot, so it'll work. Isn't he cute? Oops, sorry, didn't mean to hit ya. So now we have some space down here, okay? And our bunny is all set to go. I love how cute you are. Oh my goodness. Super fluffy. Super, super fluffy. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining me today. And come back for part 2 because we are going to embellish the rest of this board. So I'll see you in part 2. Bye, guys.